Welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And on today's episode, we are working on the Gt350r. We're gonna get some framework done. Hopefully we're gonna get everything done. We got most of the parts in. We're not really waiting for anything. So it's exciting, guys. We're gonna continue the build on this one.
Yeah, we're gonna get it done. And at the end of this video, we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway that we had, the custom Shelby Gt350r sign. And also in this video, we wanna make you guys a custom sign. So go ahead and comment Gt350r, and also you could let us know what you want engraved, either your shop name, your name, whatever it is. Let us know, and if you win, you'll be able to customize it the way you want it. You'll let us know, and we'll make you one very unique just for you.
Well, it's gonna be almost the same thing, but we're gonna, on the bottom, instead of saying Gt350r, it's hopefully gonna be your name, or we could put Gt350r.
Yeah,
whatever you guys like.
Whatever you want. Let us know.
All right, here's the new rail. It came in from the donor Mustang. I got this one already cut off. Still gotta trim it up and trim this one up to make it fit. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I just finished up. It's getting pretty late here. I'm pretty much done for today. I'll catch you guys in the morning, but check out what I did. We got the fender put on. Came out pretty good. The bumper's on. Still waiting for the headlights, but it's all good. It only bolts up to the radiator support, so. This side's really nice. The welds came out really good, the frame rails. So I'm really, really happy with it. But we'll continue working on it in the morning. But hopefully get it off tomorrow. Guys, it's the next day, and it's early in the morning. Back here at the shop, I'm ready to work on the Mustang. Got a lot of little stuff to do. Hopefully we get it off the frame machine today and finish this episode. Here's the upper radiator support. Adjusted it, came out really nice. Ready to cut this upper piece out. And then we can start grinding. Here's the new piece. It's going on really nice. Just gonna put the upper radiator support back on, the fender, make sure everything lines up good, and then we'll start welding. We are done with the frame. It came out great. I'm super happy. Everything lines up really nice. I just got finished welding. I'm gonna grind it up a little bit. We are done for tonight. I mean, we're done. I'm happy. It turned out really great. So we're done for this episode. We're done with the framework. Get it on for the body work. Get some Bondo on it, get some paint on it, and put it together and drive it. But before I go, don't forget guys, we still got the sign. Just enter Gt350r, and you can enter all the rules and regulations in the description below. Good luck, and if you guys like this video, leave us a like, give us a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, it's time to pick the winner of the Gt350r sign we made. We have 141 comments. We're gonna go to Google and pick a random one. Click the button, Michael.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
89.
Lucky winner 89.
89. So count from the top to the bottom.
Yeah. 88. 89. The Cobra Gt350r, baby. I need this for my garage. Well, congrats. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it for your garage. Hope you enjoy.
We'll send you a message.